So we will see today the couple and the couple moment. This couple is similar to a couple in human society. Same thing. Okay. How? How it is similar to a couple in a human society, we will see that. See, whenever you say a husband and a wife, okay, one will be in one direction, other will be in other direction, correct? And there is always a distance between these people, is it not? Okay, we say they are together, but there is always a distance, correct? For the outside one, they are together, but they themselves know what is going on in between them. One is plus, one is minus, correct? Okay, only till for you when you are unmarried, you may feel that it is very beautiful and all those things. Once you get married, you will know the reality, correct? So same thing, okay? So here from we married people, okay, how things are there, okay, and don't expect something like lovely to happen. It never happens, okay? So here this d, what is it? There is always a distance, okay, d. And but although there is distance, although they are in opposite direction, they work for a single cause. They work for a single cause and the effect are added. Suppose if I say the moment, okay, now if I take with respect to a point over here, for example, let us take a moment with respect to say any point. It may not be a origin also, okay. Let us take with respect to this point. Let me say this force is acting over here, okay, and the other force is acting over here, okay. Two forces over here and over here, okay. Two forces acting, parallel forces, okay. So now if I consider what is m would be, see, this is acting over here, observe here, this r, say this is r1 or r2. Let me say this is r1. See where it is acting. Let me use other thing here. So let me use another color. So this is, I'm sorry, drawing a straight line is something which is very difficult for me. This is r1 and say this is r2, okay. R1 and R2, okay. Forces are acting there, okay. So now in color, let us use this. So moment, okay, total moment, because moment can be added, students, okay. Moment vector, just like any other vector, moment vector also can be added, okay. So now moment will be equal to r, say r1 crossed with f, r1 crossed with f, plus r2 crossed with minus f. So what this will become equal to, this becomes r1 minus r2, r1 minus r2 crossed with if I consider this r1 minus r2 crossed with f, because r1 and r2 can be taken outside, it becomes r1 r2 crossed with f. Clear? What is r1 minus r2? R1 minus R2 crossed with F, this can be written as the distance E between these 2 points. Between these 2 points, it can be distance E, correct? So it can be E crossed with F. Now, one of the important thing, just saying that is not enough, correct? Moment is equal to E crossed with F. E is a vector. R1 minus R2. R1 minus R2 means E direction is this. Now, one thing we have to understand, okay? Now, when we do the cross product, it will come down, to only this magnitude of this vector will come down to D crossed with, not crossed, D into F magnitude. That will be the magnitude of the moment couple. What would be the direction? The direction would be, direction of the moment M would be perpendicular, will be would be would be perpendicular to the plane that contains both the forces. Perpendicular to the plane that carries both the forces. Correct? That would be our both the forces. I have to write neatly, students. I know that forces. Okay. So this is how couple moment of a couple is. Okay. M is called the moment of a couple. The moment of the couple. Okay. The couple is made out of the couple is made out of two forces equal and opposite acting at a distance e from each other with the minimum distance being small d. Make sense? Now let us understand this further. Let us understand this further. Why is this m is equal to d into f? That one thing we will see. Very, very important, very, very easy also. And this way when we go, we will not have any difficulty in the basics, students. When we don't have difficulty in the basics, we win. Correct? Steve Harvey has said, I put it on my status, that if you want any big idea to stop, okay, to end, share it with a small person. He will say that is not possible at all and all those things. He will put you down. Have big ideas, work for it. It will happen. There is no reason that it will not happen. Have big ideas. Like I have an idea. I don't know whether it will happen or not. Okay. I want one of my students to get a Nobel Prize. That is my dream. Let me tell you frankly. Okay. One student of mine should get a Nobel Prize. Okay. Yes. Tell me when you are done, students.
So that magnitude of moment is equal to d into magnitude of force. That it was cross product, no sir. How it became dot product?
Yes, I will tell you one minute. That is the next step. We'll do. Okay.
Okay.
Why this happens? Next slide. This will be told in the next slide.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Don't worry, don't worry. I'm not rushing into. I want you to think here, that's it. And continuously on tonic, students. Hot water. At least next time it should not happen, is it not? I should strictly not have oily food nor ice creams. It'll affect on that time only. Just like some of the athletes. So no less than athlete. Okay. They, yeah, somebody is coming. Who's that? Let us see who is that person. Ah, somebody is coming. It was a sound. I don't know. Somebody did not get the link. I don't know what. I put the link, is it not? It's the last person who saw this. We'll get to know. Now what is the time? 9:46. No, nobody. Shane is there, is it not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I
Done,
don't
sir,
know.
done.
The mail is there. Directly I join.
Huh?
Check on WhatsApp. Mail is there. Directly I join from mail.
Oh, yeah, that's the best way. Okay. No, even if you click here, you will come directly if I have given you permission. Okay.
Sir, can you go to previous slide, sir? I didn't
Yes,
check.
please.
Done, sir.
Very good. Okay. So now let us see the next one. Okay. Now, one of the things what should happen is, see here, there is force here. Again, I will write it minus F, and then there is a force plus F. Correct. And then there is an origin. Correct. It could be another point also, keep in mind. Okay, it can be another point also. We can take with respect to any point. I'll prove that in a moment. Okay. So there is an origin. And with respect to this point, you have, say, R2, and then R1 is over here. This is R1, correct. And then this distance from here to here is what? R1, R2 minus R1. When you say, it will be this one. This is E, correct. Now, let us understand what is cross product. Okay, cross product can be written as, say, cross product of A cross B. How can A cross B be written? A cross B can be written as magnitude of A, magnitude of B into sine theta, correct? If I have two angles, say A and B, the angle between these two is theta. The direction is perpendicular, but what is it? A cross B sine theta, correct? So now similar way, if I see what is theta between this, now if I consider F, what is F? F is nothing but, sorry, M is what? M, let us take one example. M is, say, R2 crossed with minus F. Let us take this. R2 crossed with minus F. Okay. What is the magnitude of this? This can be written as R2 magnitude, okay, minus f magnitude into sine theta, where theta is the angle between r1 and f, correct? Okay, now what is r2 sine theta? If you see, what is r2 sine theta? It is this distance, observe. This is r2 sine theta. Make sense? Similar way, what is r1 sine theta? R1 sine theta, when you take, okay, it will be this angle. Okay, this would be minus f, is it not? Minus f in the sense, yeah, whatever be the case. Okay, so what happens? A part of this, okay, r2 sine theta will be this, and r1 sine theta will be this, and together this will give. So m, when you take m is nothing but, so let us take this one. Let us take r2 r theta. M is nothing but r1 minus r1 minus r2 magnitude, okay, into direction we are not worried, magnitude we are worried about. The magnitude of this, very important, okay, into f, correct, cross magnitude of f, r1 minus r2 sine theta. Now what is r1 minus r2? R1 minus r2, or r2 minus r1 minus r2, we will take r1 minus r2 is this. What is the direction angle between f, which is this, and this? What is that? It is, this is theta, correct? Sine theta is what angle? Sine theta would be this angle, correct? What is this? This is E sine theta. Make sense? Make sense, students? This is E sine theta, magnitude of E sine theta, and let us call it as D. So what will happen here? This will become R1 minus R2 is E sine theta into F magnitude, correct? So magnitude of E sine theta, what is that? It is D into F. Make sense? Make sense, students? So what is important? The important thing is the distance. So if I have a force here, then a force here, say F and minus F. What is the moment? Moment vector magnitude. Let me put it in another way. Let me put it like this. Okay, wait. Okay, let me put it in a way that you will understand. Okay, so if I have a plane, if I say this is a plane, it's a plane here. Okay, on this plane there is a force F here, there is a force F here. Let me say this. Okay, two forces are acting. Now if you want to find out the couple, okay, if you want to find out the couple, what will you do is you will see what is the perpendicular distance between these two forces, line of action of the forces, the distance between the line of action of forces, that the direction of the couple moment is straight. The direction of the couple moment is straight. Okay, so the couple, the magnitude of the couple is, this is the couple vector, and the magnitude of the couple vector is equal to F into D, correct? FD. If I say FD, no need of this one, F into D, that would be the magnitude of the couple. Direction would be perpendicular to this plane. Direction of the couple is perpendicular to the plane carrying direction of the couple is perpendicular to the plane carrying both the forces. Make sense, students? I think somebody is trying to come to the class, but somehow I'll see whether he has put some WhatsApp message to me. No, somebody else. Everybody is interested in internship. Okay. They don't get the job, then they think that they have to go for internship and then they will do it. No, it's not a nice way to go. First increase your knowledge, then everything will improve. If you don't increase your knowledge, nothing can improve, students. Take it from me. Okay, whatever you do, wherever you do internship, say in Volvo you do internship, or you do in General Electricals, no use. You are learning advanced things, students, but when you learn advanced things, the basics, if it is not there, what is the advanced things will collapse. I'm not saying GE is not good. I'm not saying that. I'm not saying Volvo is not good or any big company is not good, but go there with strength. No, why do you going with weakness? And continuously you will be in inferiority complex that you don't know the basics. Go with confidence wherever you go. That is how gate coaching can help you. And make a choice. Don't become a beggar.
Sir,
Yes. Tell me.
sir, can you please explain this E sine theta is equal to D once again, the diagram?
I did. See here. I'll use the arrow. This is E. From here to here is E. Correct? Make sense? Correct. I want you to respond. Hello.
Sir.
Yes. Okay. This is theta. Is it not? What is this distance from here to here? From this point to this point. What is the distance? E sine theta. Correct? Clear?
Okay, it's a triangular rule.
Exactly. See, let us put it again. Let us put it. Let us see from here. Let us see from here. So first one is F here. The other F is here. Correct. And this is E as told there. This is E. Correct. And this is theta. Correct. What is E sine theta? It is this distance. Correct. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Sine theta is what? Sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. Correct. Sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse. Correct. So what is opposite? Opposite is hypotenuse sine theta. Okay, hypotenuse is E, sine theta is this. So that is opposite. Correct. Clear? Any doubts, students? Hello, please respond. Please respond.
Understood, sir.
Yes, very good. Thank you. Have you finished? Everybody has finished writing this?
No, sir.
Please write it down. Then we will see how couple we can add and subtract couple. Then we will see why couple is a free vector. Why is it called a free vector? That is the next thing we will see.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
so the meaning of this diagram is like this one. The resultant couple C is equal to F into D. That means if we apply the forces like this, then the object can move upward or downward like this.
No, it does not mean that. It means the object can rotate. The effect is to rotate. I'll explain you.
Okay.
This. When two forces are there, what happens? It starts rotating. Okay, so that rotation is what is meant by couple. Couple is main thing is rotation. Good that you have asked. I assume that you knew this. I'm sorry for that. Okay,
Sir,
ask questions.
sir,
Huh.
like I too had that doubt. Like I just want to clear it that uh, we have a direction for this couple, right? Anti-clockwise and so the direction of thumb is like upwards for a anti-clockwise couple, right?
Couple,
So
yes.
what is that upward direction? It's just a location, right?
Here I'm wrong then. I'm sorry. Here I'm wrong then. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, anti-clockwise correct. It will be down. I'm sorry. So I know the source of mistake. I was just saying that it is other way around. C is sorry for that, students. Okay, so it is now you're convinced now. Correct.
Yeah,
C.
like
Yes. Now you
like the
understand.
direction of thumb which we are taking now.
Hmm.
That's just for the notation, right?
No. Yeah, direction is for notation. Yes.
Just notation, right? Like it doesn't specify an effect, no. Like we can tell, seeing that that the couple is anti-clockwise or clockwise, but practically it doesn't have any like visual effect, right?
Visual
Effect
effect is
which
not
is
seen in the direction. See, one of the things is that
yeah.
whenever moment is there, okay, what is the direction of the moment? Similar way, F cross R, correct? It will be perpendicular. Direct vector has a direction. Now let us see physically how it is important. We will see it now. Okay, next slide. Okay, why we should take the directions properly. If you don't take the direction, what happens? Let us see. Okay, next problem is that only. Okay, now again, the people who have come new, I will tell you, couple, whenever you take a cross product, you have to take with respect to this like this. Okay, cross. I will repeat again. Okay, if I'm taking A cross B, okay, A cross B. Okay, so this is B. I'm very sorry. This is B. Keep in mind this is B. Okay, so this is perpendicular to this. Okay, this is not on the same plane. Okay, this is A cross B, which is perpendicular to this as well as to this. Okay, now another point here. Okay, now the direction A crossed with B. So when I take A, first A here crossed with B here, so what is happening? A crossed with B, direction is this is the direction. What is the direction of the cross product? It is this. I hope you understand. Similar way here in this case, if you consider F crossed with D, okay, the direction depends on how you rotate it. So it is rotating like this. Observe the whole body, this plane, because of these forces. This plane, because of these forces, is rotating in this direction, clockwise direction. If it is rotating in clockwise direction, keep your hand, these fingers, in the direction of the clockwise moment. And this was the direction of the couple. Correct? Make sense? Hello?
So we should use right hand to get the
Hmm.
direction.
Always right hand. Okay, we are very traditional religious people. Right hand only, no left hand. Left hand kunde tode leke matra.
Sir, I didn't get it, sir. Could you please explain once again the thumb rule, like how you apply the thumb rule?
See, if I take A here, this is A vector. Say this is the direction of A vector. This is the direction of B vector. Okay, keep this B vector here. This is A vector. This is B vector. Now when you are taking the cross product, you are saying A crossed with B. A crossed with B. Observe this, A crossed with B. So this is the direction of the cross. And use the right hand. Thumb shows the direction of the vector. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Clear? So the same thing we have used till now, even for that pyramid problem, is it not? Same
Yes.
equation. When you take the area is a vector, it has a direction. Makes sense? Hello. Correct. Shall I go further? No, you have to be very clear on this. Later on, there might be trouble. If the understanding, basic understanding is not there, all the advanced thing is collapsed, students. No use.
Sir, can you explain the from the second line like R2 cross Fn, how we got R1 minus R2?
Yeah, see here. No, this is like this. This is, I'm saying just like that. Okay, see here. This is R2 and you're getting here. Okay, so if I consider M, what is M? M is nothing but R1 crossed with F plus R2 crossed with minus F. Correct. So take this minus here. So R1 minus R2, F comes outside. That's how it is. So this can be written as this. I have told you in the last slide. You see this? R1 crossed with F plus R2 crossed with minus F. Correct. So it is R1 minus R2 crossed with F. Correct. Put R1 and R2 all the. It's topi ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. Topi ಹಾಕದಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸರಿ. Got the thing?
Yes, sir.
Same way this has come. Done.
Sir, what is C vector equal to?
C vector, this C vector is equal to E crossed with F. Somebody has come again. Wait a minute. Who is this? Ranganath Pai. Come, Ranganath. Ranganath, from now you are attending these classes. Where is Ranganath? Not come. I cannot see. Ah, Rangnath came. Rangnath, I stopped sending you the mails because you are not attending the classes.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry about that.
No, you'll be attending the classes. You're welcome.
Yeah, I'll be attending, sir.
What about the job?
Job, that's quite. I don't know, sir. I thought of quitting my job for now because I can't focus on it. That's why it's being very hectic for me.
It is hectic, Baba. One
Yeah.
of the reasons when we get campus placements, we think that we are in a very good position. We are not.
Yeah, actually, it's very, very hectic. Actually.
And also, there's no improvement, is it not?
Yeah, it's not. There's no improvement. There's no future actually.
There's no future, correct? People don't realize this. They think they get campus selections and they will become good. No, it is struggle.
Rangnath is there.
Rangnath Pai is there, yes. Last, our hero. Okay, he had attended, he has started somewhere in October. October you joined, is it not, Rangnath?
Yes.
Then he went to Mysore.
Yes, when he went to Mysore, yes.
Hi, man.
Hi, man.
Welcome, Rangnath. Okay, so this time with
Yes,
full effort you put it, Rangnath. I'll tell you, resign the job.
Yes, sir.
That's the
Yes,
best
sir.
thing you can do. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Sir.
See, our Akshay also has resigned Tata Motors, not something small. Yesterday he gave his resignation. Correct. So when somebody can give resignation to Tata Motors, okay, your job is small, man. You can leave it just like that. Correct, Akshay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. If he is sure, he should leave only.
Yes. Okay, chalo. Okay, fine. Let us go further. Chalo. And put your efforts, even if you don't clear, okay, then you see the type of jobs you will get later on. If you clear, it's done. No, your life is done. Even if you don't clear, now apply for the job after this GATE coaching. Now see the type of jobs you'll get. It's a different type of jobs you'll get. Start getting. Keep in mind. Okay. It will not be the same type now. What you're getting now. Okay. Fine. Now let us go with addition and subtraction of couples. Subtraction of couples. Now, if I consider, let us consider this. Okay. Like this. Okay. Now, let us take on this particular, say, A, B, C, D. Okay, A, B, C, D. Then let us go with E, F, G, H. Okay, let us draw the couple on this. Okay, let us change the color, ink color. Okay, now if I say on this E, F, G, H plane, you have a force here this way, another force over here. Say the force is of 20 Newton. Okay, let us say the force is of 20 Newton. How much is it? 20 Newton force acting. The distance between these two, 20 and 20, and the distance between these two, say it is 5 meters. 5 meter distance, you have 20 Newton force acting. Okay. Now, another side over here, let us say on the plane BCGF, we will have 20 Newton force, a bit bigger I will do, to show that it is 20 Newton. Okay, and here we will have 5 Newton force. So there is another force here, which is 5 Newton force, parallel to each other. A couple which is acting, two forces are there, which is of 5 Newton. 5 Newton here, 5 Newton here. And the distance between these two is also 5 meters. Okay, the distance between these two is 5 meters. Now let us understand what is the total couple acting on this plane. Determine, the question is, determine the resultant couple or determine the direction of rotation of the cube due to, or how, not this direction, yeah, how it will rotate, what is the axis about which it rotates, okay, direction of rotation and the axis of rotation, also axis of rotation of the cube due to the forces acting on its surfaces as shown in the figure, as shown in the figure. Now let us do it. Okay, now let us understand what is the force on this particular thing, the couple. Answer, let us use a separate ink. Cyan. Okay, so the forces solution, the couple on surface, say E, F, G, H. What is the force? It is 20 or 5 into 20. That is the magnitude. The couple moment, I'll say couple 1 is equal to 5, magnitude of the couple 5 into 20. That is 100 Newton meter. Where is it acting? What is the direction of this couple? Direction of the couple is perpendicular to this. Which direction? Upwards or downwards? It is upwards, is it not? The direction of C1 is upwards, correct? Is it not?
Yes, sir.
Direction of the couple is upwards. Now, this is the first side, okay? Acting, C1 acts perpendicular to the surface E, F, G, H, okay, outwards. Correct. It acts outwards. Let us take this one. How did it acts upward? Outward. See, it's going like this. Okay. So it is rotating in this fashion. Observe. It is a fashion is this. This is the fashion it is rotating. When it is rotating like this, see the angle. See the direction of the thumb. That's how it's acting. That is one side. Next side, let us take. This cyan looks very bad. Okay, for me. So let me use green. Green looks better. Okay, green. Okay, so next, the couple on the surface BCGF. Let us see what is that. C2, let us say C2 is equal to 5 into 5, that is equal to 25 Newton meter. Acts, C2 acts perpendicular to the surface, correct, perpendicular to the surface, perpendicular to surface BCGH outwards. Correct. So it is in this direction. What is that? 25 Newton meter. What is this? 100 Newton meter. Makes sense? Clear? So two couples we have. Write it down, students. Now let us see how to find out the resultant of the couple and how to interpret it. Yes, Aditya. The moment is the resultant rotation due to couple. Yes, correct. Now, moment is what? Rotation only, right? It produces, like we have force is equal to mass into acceleration. Moment is equal to moment of inertia into angular velocity, correct? Sorry, angular acceleration, right? So you can say m is equal to f is equal to ma. Similarly, m is equal to I alpha. There is equivalence between those two. Students, one thing I'm thinking, I forgot that basically. Okay. See, from Monday onwards, we are starting our Murli sir will start with the vibrations and theory of machines. Okay. So it is important that we understand differential equations first of all. Differential equations, it is there on the drive. You can see that for once. Okay. First thing about differential equation. Okay. It is done on the it is there on the drive. You can see the differential equation part. Okay. Just refer that. Okay. Whenever you are free. Okay. As much as possible. Okay. Not everything you can do within a week, I know, but a bit of that. Okay. One side. Another side would be in terms of velocity and acceleration. Okay, that also is done. You can see that. Okay, or should I do it this time instead of mathematics? I think I can go with velocity and acceleration. Correct, Akshay? Am I correct? Oh shit!
Hello, sir.
The current is gone, students. I'm sorry. Wait a minute. There is a power cut. Okay, students, as scheduled, there is a power cut. Okay, so what we will do is we will meet again at as soon as this goes off. Okay, as soon as this is happening here.
Save, sir. Save.
Okay, so till the power cut is there, we will continue. Once the till the our no, this is also gone. Okay, so until there is my UPS working, I think we can go because it takes
Save the PPT.
yeah.
Save the PPT.
The PPT, sir.
Yes, yes, very important. Thank you. Yes, let me save the PPT. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. So now these two, I will just tell you this. Okay. It may go off just like that. Okay. So if it goes off, don't worry. Okay.
Sir, ಎಂತ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದು velocity?
Velocity and acceleration ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ start ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ನಾನು.
Okay.
Mathematics ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ we will go velocity and acceleration.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಂತಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ
ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು. ಈಗ ಸ್ಟಾಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ನಾನು.
ಹೌದು.
ಈಗ ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮೆಷಿನ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದುಂಟು, ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಆಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ.
ಹೌದು ಹೌದು.
ಸೊ ನಾನೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಂತ 4 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಯಾವ್ದು ರೋಲ್ಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟೈಲರ್ಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದ್ ಬದಲು
ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲಸ್
ಬದಲು ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ವಿತ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಂಡೇ ಅವರದ್ದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ?
ಅದು ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ
ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆ?
7:30 ಇಂದ 8:30.
ಓಕೆ. ಥರ್ಮೋಡೈನಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬದಲ
ಥರ್ಮೋಡೈನಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನೈಟ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ 9 ರಿಂದ 10. 2 ಗಂಟೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ, 1 ಗಂಟೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಥರ್ಮೋಡೈನಮಿಕ್ಸ್.
ಓಕೆ. ಅದೇ 9 to 10 ಥರ್ಮೋಡೈನಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸರಿ.
ಹೇಗಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. From next Monday, the timetable will be like this for only mechanical. Okay, it will be like this. First of all, morning anyhow we have casting, correct? Casting at 6:30, correct? Then second one 9:30 and all those things is okay. 9:30, 11:30 we had planned with mechanics and calculus. Now I am saying till next week we will continue with mechanics. with velocity and acceleration. Okay, so today it will be at 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock we will meet, students. Okay, I'll put it on the, if the power comes earlier, I will put it, okay, that it is coming earlier. Okay, then third one, after this is over, mechanics is over. Okay, 6 to 7 will be anyhow linear algebra for everyone, correct? Then fourth one would be 7:30 to 8:30 will be vibrations and machine design by Murali Bodla. Okay, and fifth one from 9 to 10 we will continue with thermodynamics. Make sense?
ಸರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಚಿಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿದಲ್ಲ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ?
ಹೌದು, ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಉಂಟು, ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಈಗ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮುಂಚಿದ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಬಹುದು.
ಅದೇ
ಸೊ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ
ಅದು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಪುನಃ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಥವಾ ಹೀಗೆ? ನಾವು
ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಬಿಡುದಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಈಚ್ ಟೈಮ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ನನ್ನ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿ.
ಸರಿ ಸರಿ, ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ.
ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ ಅಕ್ಷಯ್?
ಹೌದೌದು, ನೋಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಸರ್. ಅದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಅದೇ
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕಿಂತ ಈ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಉಂಟು?
ಹೌದು, ಈ ಸತಿ ಫುಲ್ ಡಿಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ.
ಹೌದು, ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ ಅದು ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದಪ್ಪ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ರಶ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ಆಕ್ಚುಲ್ ಆಗಿ.
ಹೌದು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದೆಲ್ಲ.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ 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 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸತಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
ಸರಿ 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 ಸರಿ, ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ, ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. I will stop now then. Okay, one more thing about the couple. The couple can be added like this. Okay, this is 100 Newton meter, then this is 25 Newton meter. These are two vectors. Just like adding two vectors, we can add couple, and the direction this will rotate, the whatever the resultant would be is 103.2 Newton meter. And now if you consider this angle is actually 76 degree with respect to this angle would be 76 degree. So if these are the forces acting on these one, this one will rotate with respect to here. The angle again we have to put it, it is not just here. Okay, so it is here and here, right? So it's over here like this. It will rotate by an axis. Wait a minute, it will rotate by an axis here like this, which is at 76 degree from the perpendicular. And how it will rotate? It will rotate in this direction. Correct? That's how the rotation will be of this particular body, this dice in space. That is why it is important to know what is the direction of couples. Correct? Getting the point, everyone?
The rotation is opposite direction, right?
Not opposite direction. Why opposite direction?
100 Newton meter is more than 25, right? It will rotate like that. 100
No,
Newton
no, it will not rotate like that. If it is rotating like that, there is another forces which is stopping it from rotating in that direction.
Okay.
So it will rotate in the resultant one.
Okay, that is at 103.2. That is the direction.
That is the direction. Yes.
So then it is coming towards us, not towards the plane of the paper.
No, see here, when you see this, observe here. This is a three-dimensional image.
Yes, sir.
This has to rotate like this according to this, is it not?
Correct.
This has to rotate this way, but the resultant is here, couple.
Okay.
This is the resultant couple, observe here. This is the resultant couple. How did we get this? By this method. 25 here, 100 here.
Okay.
And the resultant is 103.2 Newton meter. So the direction of rotation is this. Take a snapshot of this, students, very fast. It might go out because 10 minutes only I have the backup.
This means resultant will be rotating opposite direction to that of other two, no sir?
Why opposite? Why opposite?
Because those two are anti-clockwise rotations, no sir. Now resultant is in, it's also in anti-clockwise, sorry sir.
Anti-clockwise, clockwise, don't think like that. Okay, think thumb rule, that's it. That's the way.
Sir, it's a cross product of both
Cross.
resultant.
No. What is resultant? Parallelogram law.
The root of a square plus b square.
Root of p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta. Correct? That parallelogram law. Makes
So
sense?
that 76 degree was mentioned in the question.
It is not mentioned in the question. This is what we got. This is the result. This is the answer. This is P. This is Q. Make sense? Hello. You have to add. The resultant is P plus Q. So here the resultant is C1, couple C1 plus couple C2 because C1 and C2 are vectors. Make sense?
Sir.
Correct. Yes.
Sir, if the direction of rotation, both the direction of rotation are in the different directions, then what would be the resultant, sir?
Just like a vector, this would, if the direction of rotation was like this, it would be here. The other one would be here. If
Okay,
only one was going, then the resultant would be in this direction. Correct. Makes sense. Hello. Tell me, students, understood or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
So if both were negative, then this is like this. This is like this. The resultant would be here.
So based on the thumb rule, the direction will go.
Direction will depend. Direction of the vector will depend. The resultant depends on a parallelogram law. The direction of the resultant will depend on the parallelogram law. Direction of the couple, it depends on the thumb rule. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Sir, how we get the angle?
Angle, you know, tan theta is equal to, you see in parallelogram law.
Okay, sir. We should find it.
P plus Q. Sir.
Yes. I don't remember. I'll always derive. My problem is I don't remember equations. I can derive equations. But kindly remember equations because it will speed up things. Okay. Thank you, students, then. Thank you very much. Okay.
So we'll do this problem later. No?
Yeah.
We'll be solving this problem later. No?
Yeah, I will come back to this. Okay. At 4 o'clock, we will come back to this. Then we will go with the moment of a couple about a line. And then we have to see whether a couple is a free vector. Why couple is a free vector? Those 2 points I will take at 4 o'clock. Okay. Or 3 o'clock, whenever it comes. Okay. Yes. Thank you very much, students. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
So
you.
the next class would be at?
If the please keep your WhatsApp on. Okay, I will put the message now. I will say 4 o'clock. Okay, but it may happen at 3 o'clock also. Okay, if the power comes at 2:30, I will put the thing that power has come. The class has started at 3 o'clock. I will say that directly. Okay, so class will start from 3 o'clock. Make sense? We will not be sure when the power comes here in this. They have set scheduled cut, but sometimes the power cuts comes early than that. Making sense, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
the power may come early. If the power comes early, then we will start early. Okay, just look at the WhatsApp. That's it. Keep WhatsApp that notification bell at a high volume. That's it. Okay. Thank you, students. Thank you very much.